Hi, welcome to this next video on Angular, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the port, the default port of your projects. By default, after we created a new project, and whenever we started with ng-saved, this is a continuation of my previous tutorial, and I assume that you already have one running Angular projects and now trying to see how you can change the port. So when we run this ng-save, by default it's going to take the default port, which is 4200. So it's building now, preparing to start. Bam. Yeah, you can see that our project is running on this port 4200. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this, change this one temporarily and permanently for your projects, depending on your need. So if you go to here, you can see that our project is there running on this port. Now let's say that you want to temporarily change this port number. What we can do is we first stop this one by writing Control-C, typing Control-C on the keyboard, and we can see that our project stopped. It just stopped, and then what we want to do now is to temporarily change the port. So instead of only writing ng-saved, we are going to add a suffix at a port and options port, and then we specify the port number. Suppose that we want to change this one to 3200, right? 3200. Now when we type this down now, it is building again. Should be faster this time. Bump, you can see that now it started but on different port. This is 3200. Now let's go now, and instead of 4200, we change this one to 3200. We should see our projects running on this new port, right? Now if you want to permanently change this port, what is usually the case, then what we want to do now is we need to go to the angular.json file. I think it's this one. Yeah. And then we need to find the saved. So here you will find many options, right? You get many options, but on the architect here, we go on the architect, configurations, developments, and saved. Yeah, here is where you need to change the port number. So we go below builder, and then after the comma, then what we want to do now is to add an option. Right, under these options here, we are going to pass the port. We can see that automatically it's recognized. Here's the port, and now you want to put, let's say, 4000. Yeah, you also need to make sure that this port number here is not conflicting with other ports in your server, right? We also do that scenario later and see how we can kill some of those ports. But for now, let us focus on this tutorial. So after changing this one now, if we type again Control-C, right, and stop our server, and now let's rerun this one again. Now we don't add the default the options to change the port directly. Then we just write, each time we write ng-save now, instead of going through the default 4200. Now we should expect this one to be running on the port 4000. So we just take a bit. Sorry, just have to be patient a bit. It is building. It is building. Okay, this time now, as you can see that the port is 4000, and now we go, this one is not working any longer. You have to change this one to 4000 in order to access our applications. So yeah, then as expected, we have our projects now running on the this port 4000. So these are different ways that you can use to change the port in your projects and play around. So I hope that you like this small tutorial. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye.